What's up, guys? This is the Joystick Fly paddle. It's a two-piece wing paddle that's adjustable from 210 to 220 centimeters, adjustable on the ferrule, has the full Metal Ferrule locking system here, and it's made out of 100% carbon fiber. Contrary to popular belief, wing paddles aren't just for racing surf skis. They're for anybody who wants to paddle a kayak fast in a straight line. This paddle is rock solid. It's made out of premium carbon fiber. The locking system is just a cut above others you're going to see that are made out of plastic. So maximize your forward stroke with the fly. You get power and efficiency all day long. So if you're looking to fly across the water, look into this Joystick paddle.